Today I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful personal touch to your books using handwriting blocks. First, let's navigate to the part of your book you'd like to enhance. It could be a quote, a special note, or any text you want to stand out. Simply highlight the block of text you want to transform. Once it's selected, click the handwriting icon in your toolbar. And just like that, your words are instantly updated with a beautiful handwritten style. You can see how it looks in the live preview. Now let's get creative and customize the look of this effect. To do this, we'll head up to the header bar and click the Edit Styles button. In the Style Editor, look for the handwriting section in the navigation panel on the left and select it. Change the font to find the perfect style that matches your book's tone. Adjust the font size to make it larger or smaller. Set the alignment to left, center, right, or justified. Modify the line height, which controls the amount of vertical space between each line of text. And finally, adjust the margins, which controls the empty space around the entire block of text, giving it some breathing room. Once you are happy with your customizations, all you need to do is head back to the editor and apply the changes. These style changes will automatically apply to every handwriting block you use in your book, ensuring a consistent and professional look.